So look at this. This is pure hell. Trying to remove these roots. All this, right? All this you see here was just from this one section right here. This one section, that's it. And that's all this. And I had to remove that. I had to do those other areas like weeks ago. Took forever, and I got still a lot more to go. But look at this. This doesn't even budge with a hammer. Nothing. Look at this. And then these stupid pebbles are stuck everywhere underneath the soil. Like this, you know? So then every time I use the Sisal, it would just dull the blade. And even using this force scraper, you can see the damage. Anyways, I got these for like $20 for two on Amazon. This is SDS Plus. I have the attachment to it for the SDS Plus, but you can see these screws are gone already. Broke right off. It is a nightmare. There's no way to look at this. Look how hard it is. You can't even move it. It doesn't even budge 1 inch. Even with this SDS, it is a nightmare. Again, my stupid mistake was adding these pebbles on top, and then as the bamboo grew, it covered it, so then it became all these pebbles under the ground, underneath. So when I'm trying to, oh my god, there's my cat. So when I'm trying to cut these roots, my blades keep getting dull by all these pebbles, these rocks everywhere. And I've also put Roundup on each of these to kill them. But the roots are so huge, you know. Look at the roots. It's crazy. Look at this. All these pebbles are buried in the roots. Look at the size of these roots. My god, it's a nightmare. It is a nightmare. Do not grow bamboo. Look at this. I bet there's still a lot in the ground. This is what I do to cut them. So the force scraper just slices through them like a knife. But look at the size of these things. Good God. What a nightmare. Look at this. Look at the size of these roots. That's my nightmare. That is my nightmare. And then all these rocks embedded in the roots everywhere, made it impossible to cut. Look at this. Oh my God. And that's just with this one area. I still have so much more to go. This is gonna be crazy. This whole area right here.